Psychology. Here are 25 common terms in psychology. Psychology, psychology, psychology. Behavior, 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 behavior. Cognition, cognition, cognition. Emotion, emotion, emotion. Motivation, motivation, motivation. Personality, 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 personality. Memory, memory, or memory, memory or memory. Consciousness, consciousness, consciousness. Mental health, mental health, mental health. Stress, 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 stress. Anxiety, 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 anxiety. Depression, 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 depression. Therapy, 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 therapy. Counseling, counseling, counseling. Conditioning, 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 conditioning. Development, development, development. Intelligence, 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 intelligence. Trauma, 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 trauma. Attachment, attachment, attachment. Perception, perception, perception. Regression, regression, regression. Self-esteem, self-esteem, self-esteem. Phobia, phobia, phobia. Conformity, 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 conformity. Social psychology, social psychology, social psychology, social psychology.